If you're currently working on manifesting something into your life and maybe you feel discouraged sometimes because it's like, where is this thing? Because, the universe brings it in its own time. There are actually signs that are given to us along the way to let us know that it is happening and it is in progress. Number one is that you're aware of your emotional guidance system. And I almost liken this to just like knowing that it's the right time and the right place to manifest this into your life. You know that you're being guided to do so. Number two is that you feel good when you think about your desire. So even if you have moments of like, I don't know if I deserve this, if when you think of the thing that you're wanting to manifest, that you are in progress of manifesting and it makes you feel good, you're doing it right. Number three is that you see indicators. And this can be anywhere, like nothing is out of reach when it comes to this, whether you're watching TV and it says something that kind of makes you think of that, or you're on social media and you see a video. I mean, hell, this video can even be an indicator. Number four is that you experience synchronicity. So things that happen that are really beautifully related to what you're manifesting, but they don't really actually have a connection. There's no way that you should actually see that. For example, I posted a video the other day about shifting, and so many other people were in that same place. And that video, the reach that it had to other people who were going through the same thing, was a beautiful synchronicity. Five is that you have a heightened aware of your desire. So it's like you may have wanted this for a long time, but you cannot ignore it anymore. You know that you need to start making it happen and start attracting this to you in your life. Number six is that you just feel excited. You're just pumped. You know that this is your time. Like you can't describe it. You just know. And number seven is that you start seeing repeating numbers or angel numbers around you all the time, whether it's 111, 222, 333, etc.